If money is the root of all evil, I want to say a whole lot of us are just plain screwed. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and we are switching gears this month, the month of May. Welcome to May. Happy May Day. And talking about one of the big three topics that impacts each and every one of our lives, and that is financial topics, financial well-being. We defined financial well-being in the annual challenge today, and we really need to define financial well-being for ourselves. It's different for each and every one of us, just like how we look at everything and define everything is unique to us. Financial well-being, financial security is no different. We get to define what does it mean for us, and it's going to be different based on what we want, based on our experiences, based on what we believe is possible for ourselves. So all this month, we're going to be talking about financial idioms. And I said yesterday, we'll start with money is the root of all evil because it is one of the most misunderstood, misquoted for people's personal reasons and to influence and manipulate and gain power over the people is why they say money is the root of all evil. Because this is a biblical reference, of course. Apostle Paul was speaking in Timothy 6:10, and he said, "For the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil." That's, of course, over time been shortened to money is the root of all evil, and people use it to for their own ends, for their own reasons. They use that expression. A lot of times it's used as an excuse for not taking care of oneself or providing for oneself or for not making money, because if money's evil, none of us want to be evil. Therefore, we're not going to make money. We're going to stay poor, which is exactly the opposite of what our maker and creator and God and whatever you believe want us to be. We live in an abundant universe for a reason. And I read a quote online that said, God uses money to provide direction for our lives. And I think that's a wonderful quote and a much better way of looking at it than money is the root of all evil. And it indeed is not the root of all evil. Greed, the love of money, the putting money above human needs, human rights, how we treat other human beings, being good, putting money and greed above that, and ego above character, and power and money. And the reason money often gets a bad rap is because money often gives people more options, more power, and they use that power in ways that are for their own benefit, but not for the good of others. And we are seeing so many examples of this. All you have to do is turn on the news if you're silly enough to watch the media circus that goes on these days and believe what is being shown is news. If we believe what's going on in, at least in America, with our government is for the people, that's, again, a total miscarriage of any sort of what's right or justice or good right now. So money is just an amplifier. It makes everything more of what it was already. So if you give a person that has bad character or no character a whole lot of money, if they come across a whole lot of money, it's just going to amplify the bad aspects of their character. If you give, and this is why entrepreneurs are so amazing and powerful and why they can make such a difference in the world, because they're good human beings. And if good human beings acquire more resources and more money and more power, they use it for the good of the world to make the world a better place. So this is going to be a fun topic this month. I'm excited about it. I wanted to start out with this one because it is such a misquoted, misunderstood, misapplied, misdirected idiom that I wanted to get it out of the way right at the beginning of this month as we talk about financial well-being through the month of May. May is money month, I guess. So any idioms, any expressions, there are literally hundreds of financial, money, abundance related idioms. So I've got, of course, a whole list of those to pick and choose from. But if there's ones that you want to discuss and think about how does this tie and how does this relate to my business, let's talk about those first. Otherwise, have an awesome May Day, and I will be with you tomorrow with another money, abundance, financial well-being related idiom for the month of May. Have a great day.